This alarm code. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially equipped receivers are warned of the impending hazard. Test are conducted by the weather every Wednesday, 11 a.m. There is threat of weather in the area on Wednesday. The test will be posted until the next available day. The warning alarm transmitted over weather radio stations will be active for watches and or warning affecting all counties in north central and Illinois, as well as counties in northwest Indiana. Reception of the broadcast and the alarm will vary at any location. This variability is normally more noticeable and transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality or imperfect working orders. Tone alarm test will now to our regular program.
Now here